these are the basics of how to open your Gmail, search for an email, and send emails. From your Google homepage right here, you can get to your Gmail in a couple of different ways. You can use the link up here in the right-hand corner of your screen. You can also use the waffle or the apps button right here. If you click the apps button, you can find your Gmail right here. Or if you're using a Chromebook, go to ClassLink and then click on the Gmail icon for the app. So I'm going to open up my Gmail, and when it opens up, these are all of the emails that I've received in the last couple of hours, listed by who sent me the email on the left here and the time they sent me the email. So if you're looking for a certain email by time or date, you can also find it that way. Now notice as I hover over each of these times, I get other buttons: snooze, mark as read, delete, and archive. If I scroll down here a little bit further, I can see after 24 hours it goes to a listing by date. So if you're looking for a specific email and you can't remember anything or where it is, but you do know it was sent to you by a particular person, go up to the search bar and type that person's name in the search bar. And for our purposes here, we're going to use Miss Honorati, our Dean of Students. If I type in her name and click enter, I'm going to get all of the emails that she has sent to me and the days and times that she sent them to me. So if I go through this, I can easily find which one I'm looking for. You can also just do the same thing up here with the date. If you're looking for a particular email by date, you can type that in. I'm going to close this out. Now, if you're expecting an email and you don't see it, it might be in your spam folder. So come on over to your inbox, and that'll just pull open once you move your cursor to the left here. Scroll down from that inbox menu down to the bottom where it says more here. Click on more, and then scroll down to where you see spam. Click on spam, because that might be where your lost email is. So always double check that before you think that you're missing your email. And if you want to go back over to your inbox, just move back over to the left and scroll back to your inbox, and you're back in your main emails. Now, if you want to send an email, go over to the left again to this plus button. As soon as I hover over the plus, I get the compose box. Open that up, click on it, and you're going to type who this is to. We're going to use Miss Honorati again as our example, and she pops right up. Always put a subject in because you want the person to be able to sort by subject, and then go down to your main body and type a professional email like we learned in advisory last week. I'm going to say, hi, Miss Honorati. Can you send a Zoom link, please? Question mark. Thank you, comma. I always put my name so they don't have, and nobody has to look up to see where it came from. Now, this is a pretend email. I would, if it were a real email, I would click the send button at the bottom here, but right now I'm just going to close that out. So that's how you open your Gmail, search for a particular email by date or by person, search the spam folder for missing emails, and compose emails.